Good morning student, here is your Priyanka Miss. Again today we are going to start with our value education, and today's chapter is chapter 6, and that is gifts of God. So do you know what is the meaning of gifts of God? Yes, gifts of God means the gift that has been gifted by God. As your parents gift you on your birthday, right? All of you get some gifts on your birthday, or when you get good marks, or you do some good things, right? Then your parents give you some gift. Similarly, the God has also given us some gift. The sea, the world, this world is so beautiful, and this is the gift of God. So today let's see what are the gifts of God. Do you want to know what are the gifts of God? So let's see. This is our beautiful world. So this is a tree, the sun, the birds, the animals, the beautiful flowers, and our healthy vegetables, and our juicy fruits. So here you have seen the all the God's gift. So let's start. The first, the God has gifted the beautiful world. And what are there in this world? Let's see. The tree. All of you have seen the tree. What does tree give us? Shade, wood, and fruits. We all get these things from tree. What are they? Shade, wood, and fruits. Similarly, the God have also given us the sun. The sun gives us heat and light. If there will be no sun, the whole world will be dark. So now see, God has made birds. So all of you have seen the birds in the early morning. I think all of you have seen the colorful birds outside your window, and they are very lovely. You love to listen their singing. So the bird is also a gift of God. Similarly, the God has given us animals, different animals like cow, goat, hen. So cow gives us milk, goat gives us meat, hen gives us egg, and this way they help us, and this is also the gift of God to us. Then you have seen the flowers, beautiful flowers. This is also the gift of God to make our world more beautiful. If there will be no flower, do you think your world will look beautiful? No. They are very colorful and they make our world very colorful. So we should not waste any God's gift. So next you see the vegetables. It is also important to us. We should eat vegetable. If we will not eat vegetables, we will become weak. So it is also a great gift of God, so that we can have it and become healthy and strong, so that we can do our work. Similarly, God has given us a fruit, juicy fruits, just like banana, apple, grapes, and many more are there. So for our good health, so we should be thankful for God for giving so many gifts which are good for us, which we can use in our daily life. So we should not waste any God's gift. We should not destroy any God's gift. So we should be always be thankful to God for giving such kinds of gift which are so good, which are so important for us. So try to protect all the God's gift, because once we destroy it, we will never get the God's gift back. As your parents will, if you destroy the gift given by your parents, they become angry. Similarly, if we will destroy the God's gift, he will also become angry. So we should not waste any God's gifts. So protect your nature and love the nature, and love animals too. Don't use this stone and all to beat them or hit them. They also get hurt. So I think all of you have understand the chapter. So now try to solve your PDF. Thank you.